Trying to get this damn thing. Gotta replace that mug. The mug sounding kind of raspy this morning. I was going crazy driving. This mug wanted to scream, holler. I'm not taking this off. Just move this out the way. Oh, I need an extension. Do first is take your battery, unhook it. It don't matter about that one, but you should be safe to do both with a 10mm. That's first step. Also make sure it is the small version because it is hard to get inside that little spot. Next you want to break loose your bolts. So you get to the 3/8 drive socket, well, the tensioner. Take it. It's gonna possibly be hard to put it in and just pull it back like so. Might be a little hard depending on your string. Alright y'all, it's hell getting that mug out of there. So you gotta, I use this tiny thing. Then a 16, it's a big one though. I have to keep going. It was so boring, tiring. Well, take too long. But yeah, you gotta put your hand down in that mug. Stupid phone. And just keep twisting it. It's gonna take a long time. This is terrible. Wesley's already out, and I'm just keep doing that. It's two back here. It's probably blurry. 2. So I stuck my hand this way, got underneath it that way. Best way you can. Take this one out. Let's see how it goes. Gotta wiggle it out. And it's stuck on the piece that's connected to the poster. Alright, we almost out. Take that clip off. And then you gotta unhook the ground. Ground one. I think that's but let's see what it is. I think it was a 6. I gotta find out and I'll come back. Alright, so false alarm, it's a 13. Where's it at? I hate these iPhones, man. Socket. Take it off and then pop it out. Alright, so my problem with these things, they kept getting caught on this. So what you do is you take this side. I seen somebody video, it helped me. That was a hassle, man. So what was it? See, this mug got burned by fluids. Freaking idiots. Damn, I wish I could show y'all. I just kept, it was this way, yeah. And I pulled it, I put this on top of the hose, with a pulley on top of the hole. and then just started prying this way. But this kept getting caught on that, so I had to use my little screwdriver. So there we go, it's out now. Now I just gotta match them up, see if they look the same. Alright, the sexy fresh new thing matches up with this. I've seen everything look the same. Besides this part, it broke when I dropped it. It looks good. It's time to put it in. Alright, I think I'm gonna start it by putting it in this way. So let's see how it goes. Alright, y'all, it's finished. After 10 years of work and labor and slave trade, it's back in, all the plugs. Make sure you put all the sensors back in. Sensors. What the heck? Who told you to come out? And I gotta tighten this down. This is tight. Pulley looks good. It's on there. Start her up. Let's see. And don't forget your battery. Plug it in. Alrighty. Time to listen. Let's see. It ain't gonna let me. Damn it. See if it makes a yucky sound. Ooh wee, sounds so amazing. Extra raspiness, whatever you call it. Okay. Let's see. Bro. All right, let's listen. Oh, that's a word. I mean, oh, I can't say that on this camera. You ain't talking to me. I'm sweaty. Let's listen to this. Let's go. Come on. My cool people gloves on. Might take this part back. See these people. Oh. Ooh, no sound. sunshine. Valley. Yes, sir. Deuces. There's a video of me changing my. Wait, where am I going? Changing my. I'm not thinking right. Changing my alternator. Trying to find where I'm going. I done forgot. Come on now. Sounds so amazing. Now I just gotta get this what's that called? Ooh, it sounds so beautiful. That motherfucker sexy. Can I get another view? That motherfucker sexy. Is that an RT or what the fuck is that? I got that shit in the front. Ooh, watch my language. Far as hell. Ooh, Don't play with my money. Last nigga that tried me. Let's just say the nigga dead. Don't play with my money. That's not a good thing to go through your head.